Alright, y'all, once again, I hit the wrong button. Like what you're seeing here, hit like or subscribe, man. Glad to have you. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said, I like to train spot every now and then, so come down here to the track in the good old town of Parkton. I grew up in this town and went to school when I was a little boy. So the train, I see the light down there. It's coming through Rex. It's going to come through Parkton and it's going to hit Hope Mills. But yeah, I like, some of you caught some of my stories about the mysterious stuff. I hope you enjoyed that. But all my accounts are true, you know. So yeah, I believe this train here is going to be northbound like the other one. The other one was northbound, so we shall see. So all of my retirees, man, make sure you still doing your exercising and doing all the things you're supposed to do. Enjoy life and keep going, you know. And that's all we ever can do, you know. Keep going, keep living. Keep living life, man. Just because you're retired, it's not over. Keep going, you know. Learn something. Go to school, learn something. So, but he's coming up, y'all. Looks like a big old freight train. Looks like he's got some cars on him. But I appreciate the delay. I had to go to the truck there. There it goes. Ding, 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 ding. All right. You're blowing that horn. Yeah, there must be a lot of northbounds today, so there you come. Wasn't that something? That's a short one. He must be going to the train depot to pick up some more cars. He may have had 10 cars on that train. But y'all enjoy, okay? Later. Thanks for joining.